Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today we are at Bok Tower enjoying the flowers and the bells. And we're going to be doing the pose of the month. And today's pose of the month is plank pose. Now plank pose is good for your arms and abdominal muscles as well as your legs. All right, now let's roll out our mat and let's get started. All right, we're gonna start in tabletop position. Gonna be like this. Then you're going to lift up your legs and you're gonna make sure you're straight. And you're gonna be holding it all in your abdominal muscles and you're going to just breathe for 3 to 4 breaths. So like this, and you're gonna hold and breathe. In and out. In and out. In and out. You can get back into tabletop. And if you like, you can get into child's pose for your back. All right. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And please remember to come back next week for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.